with the Korean campers, they make it seem so effortless. Sort of. Kasi naka-makeup pa sila yun on. Ako at the end na lang, magsa-sunglass. Sunglass ba ito? Ah! I am going camping again today at Mount what's the name again? Samal Mountain Camp here in Bataan. I did try to pack light, but then hanggang ganyan lang talaga ang kaya ko. And look who's coming with me. Tada! My favorite baby! Ay, no. Eh, ba't ka bumaba? Come on, let's go! Let's go! You're coming with me again. That's Corazon. Say hi to the camera. She's very happy. I hope this works. Okay, we are going camping. It's not a very good day. The weather's not good at all. See? But let's see if we're going to have fun today. Oh my gosh, look at the weather. Do you think we can do it, Corazon? Do you think we can do it, Corazon? Baka maraming malaka. I'm scared. You protect me, okay? Angela, Mama! I think the weather is getting better. What do you think, Corazon? She's so dark, no? You could hardly see her. We are so excited! Yay! Woot! Nakakaloka. Well, we're almost there. 8 minutes more, but then look at the weather. It's raining. And when it's raining, there's palaka. I cannot.
One eternity later.
Bongga, may off-road pa. I think I'm getting lost. At maulan pa. And look, it's foggy. Okay, I think we're here. I think. Oh, no wonder they asked me to like bring a 4x4 car. Tada! We are here. So, ayan. So, good luck to me. Feeling ko maraming palaka. Pero ang ganda ng house. Wait. Tada! Okay. Or can I just show my outfit? I'm ready. I'm naka-botch.
Oh my God! Wow!
Cool, diba? Share ko lang. This is how I'm gonna set up tent. Ay. Try. Ay, ito pala. Malamig ba dito, kuya?
Medyo po ba?
Medyo lang.
Humahangin po na.
Pag mahangin lang.
Yung malamig po talaga dito yung bed na dito.
Okay. Pero, sige, pagkakaraan lang. I'm so macho.
Pwede rin po kayo sa taas, ma'am, maglagay po niyan. Tignan niyo muna po sa taas.
Ayaw!
Ay, ano po niyo?
Eh kasi, akin pa tayo nakakapagod. Ito ka tamang pagod lang. Huwag mo super pagod. Para lang po tayo. Yeah. Ayoko na pumasok yung balakad tsaka yung pag. O, diba? Dali. Wait lang po yan. Don't try to speak anymore. Wait lang.
Kanta po ni ma'am.
Ha? Iisip ko lang sa mga. Mas mataas ba yung sa taas?
Opo, ma'am.
And because I'm hungry, I'll cook something. Huh? Oh my gosh. Whatever it is. I can't read Korean. But it does look good in the picture. So this is how it looks like. I'll just probably add some... Please don't get blown away. Some tofu. I have some spinach. Some more gulay. Some meat from Monterey. Should I just dump it all in? I probably just get some. And I'll add some more potatoes and onions. I like vegetables. So guys, wait lang. Again, sayang ang film. Okay, I'm setting up my bed. I think it's firm enough. That's my AC. I don't know if I'm gonna need it though, but this is my bed. Anyways, I got this in loan from my brother-in-law. Now I don't know. I think it ran out of battery or probably I just pressed something wrong. You know what? It's so hard talaga to keep up with technology. See? It's not working. Ay! Sus! Nakakaloka! Hiniram lang, masisira pa. Siyang kanila. Anyways, this is what I'm having. I don't know, just mix stuff up. Hope it turns out good. Gana. And my favorite rice. Okay, just read if you're Korean. O, diba? Yung bowl ko para sa JBL speaker lang. Wow! So, hindi natin narinig ng ano. Hindi na natin naririnig ng klok-klok-klok-klok-klok manok. Better. See you guys later.
Meanwhile,
Oh my gosh. It is raining ng bonggang-bongga. Good thing I have shelter. Oh, this is my all the things of me and my husband. Hehehe. Lalangs. Ano to? Ew. You can do it! Better not touch. Oh my gosh, mababasa ako. To think, meron na akong ano ha? Meron ng ceiling. Meron ng roof. Oh. The wind. And the rain. Oh my gosh. Ay! May pa ganyang effect pa tong lantern mo to. Wait lang. Ay! Was it a good idea to come today? Yeah. Still, I claim that I'm independent. I'm a strong, independent woman. Ganun lang yun. When camping, you just have to... Well, actually in life, you have to dream, believe, and survive. Ay! O, di ba may bug? O, yun lang. And I thank you. So this is just plain beef with no salt, nothing, and rice, and then some of her kibbles. Arte, diba? She wants to be fed that way. Spoiled. Kanina ayaw niya. So I have to like spoon fed her. Then she tasted it. Yummy. It's good. O, diba? Sarap. Nako! No food outside your plate. Pulot na yan. Charot. Ay, corazon! Corazon! Ubusin mo to. Finish your food. Good girl. Okay, because she needs to go potty. I have this to protect me from the and I have a really nice flashlight. Corazon! Sige, go break time. Let's go. Shucks, it's dark. I guess because you're so dark, they can hardly see you. Can you say hi? Oh, baby girl! Okay, you can say hi. She keeps on trying to get my face. You stay there, okay? She's my best friend. This is my AC for the night. Actually, it's not. Wala lang. It blows really cool air. Not cold air, just cool air. Kind of like, yeah, it can help. Oh, it's a spider web. Ew. Well, anyways. Good morning. Oh my gosh, COVID, sorry. I did that. Okay, so I'm going to prepare breakfast. Yeah, it's just, probably it's 8. I don't know, 8:30. Oh, that's still breakfast. So that's my rice. Ta-da! Oops. Then I'll think what I'll cook here. Ganun. I look at corazon. O, diba? Ayaw niya doon. Gusto niya talaga sa master's bed. Kasi gusto niya naka-on ang AC. Ganyan siya ka-spoiled. Let's start preparing whatever food comes to mind. I got the rice there. I'm not sure if it's cooked. Let's see. Actually, would I say this is like a better cooking experience? I am not sure. But so far, it wasn't that uncomfortable. Parang mandat ko ng beses like na makamping. It's okay. Not great. It's okay. Because everything, well, you have access to electricity and then there's free ilaw at night. So, well, I have that for the hangout. Oh my gosh, I have butter. I left it at home. I hate it. But it would have been taste better if there was my cat. I guess. Ay! Ay, sus Mariosa. Eh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, I have to turn it off. Ano ba yan? Don't worry, corazon, I'm fine. Huli na lahat. It's a handle here. Bakit naman there? It's cold. Oh shit. Nako ah. Epic fail. Pero, we'll try once more. We won't give up. Kasi yung next step na ginamit ko. Kaya, ay, dead ba na? I'll still do this. Kasi may isa. So ba meron pang ano, baby? Move there a bit. Oh, ayan. Yan na. Loka ako dun. Bango. Garlic. Hold on. I'm gonna put egg also. Let's experiment. And then, ay! Ayan o. Okay. And then let's add some mushrooms. Like, all kinds. All of the above. It's all here. I think it's clean, so I think we could just make the pasta. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a big one. And then green chili. Ay! Primitive lang ng shopping board. Ayan. Sige. Let's mix them all together. Ay. 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 O, diba? Healthy. Egg na lang. Wait, let's look for it. Oh my gosh, you like the egg that I got from the market. Yeah. Yeah. No. It's vitamin E enriched specialty eggs. And it's for glowing skin. I don't know why I bought it. They got me from glowing skin. I have glowing skin now. So how many should I have? Everything? Charrrr. The lamp for the fire is doing its work. Anyways, breakfast is good. This is squid. I don't know how it's called, but kimchi squid. I like it. And I also like the radish. This is a good breakfast. Try this. It says, but I can only understand it from the picture. It has onion and it has garlic, so probably it's a combination of both. And knowing it's Korean, it's spicy. I'll open it. Wait, masarap. Ay. Ay. Ew. Why is it like that? Oh. Only let's get only a little bit. Oh, yeah. This for taste lang. I put it in my cooler later. So, what will it taste if I combine it with the beef? It's not spicy, by the way. Okay. It's salty. But salty is good for me. More sodium. More happy. Oh. Oh my gosh. I think this is the best breakfast ever that I cook for myself compared to the first time I went camping. Okay, I'm almost done. Almost. I just have to dismantle this. Well, it's very easy naman. The tent. Oh my gosh, I have to catch my breath. See? So guys, don't ever underestimate girls. We could do whatever it is that you can do. Wow! Even better. Because sometimes when guys do it, they're very sloppy. When cleaning up stuff or like organizing things. Girls, women, you are complex individuals. Charlotte. Mema. Ang tawag doon, mema. Mema sabi. O, diba? Naloka si Kuya Alex. Because I was able to pack everything on my own. See? Are you proud of me, corazon? Of course. I'm so proud of you. Okay, done camping. Did we like it, corazon? Ay! I think it's about to rain. Good thing we left. Look at the road. Anyways, was it fun? Okay lang. But then the thing is, if men can do it, women can also. Kaso nga lang, with the Korean campers, they make it seem so effortless. Sort of. Kasi naka-makeup pa sila yun on. Ako at the end na lang, magsa-sunglass. Charing! Ay! Sunglass ba ito? Ah! Shucks. Anyways, I should concentrate driving because it's off-road. You know, tough lady driving off-road. Charing. Okay. Yes. I'm just here at Starbucks na lang. I ordered food na. I just left my camera sa loob ng car. So this is what I'm having. Yes. I'm having my favorite matcha latte. Yeah. And flatbread and some cookies.
Need paper bag on this one?
No need. They should have more pet-friendly restaurants in the world. In the Philippines. Kawawa naman si Corazon. I have to order. Need to go. You want some bread, baby? Parang ayaw niya. You want some? You want some? Nakita mo yun? Sabi niya. Okay. Ay! Mahal person is so good. Ayaw niya talaga. Okay, I'm gonna drive while I enjoy my food. Bye guys. Until next camping.